Welcome to another exciting video. Today we are going to dive into the world of Python programming and create a quiz game using the Tkinter library for the graphical user interface. This interactive quiz game will allow users to answer multiple choice questions and receive instant feedback on their performance. Let's break down the code step by step. At first, this code imports the necessary libraries for creating the GUI, Tkinter and TTK for themed widgets, and for displaying messages boxes, messagebox. We have created a class called QuizGame that serves as the core of our quiz game application. This class is responsible for handling various aspects of the game such as scoring, presenting questions, and displaying results. We start by defining a list of questions. Each question is represented as a dictionary containing the question itself, answer options, the correct answer, and the description. We then proceed to create the graphical user interface using Tkinter. The main application window is configured with the specific title, size, and background color. This code creates a label widget, question label, to display the quiz question. It is initially set with some default text and styling. The code creates a list of 4 buttons, option buttons for the answer choices. It assigns a command to each button to check the answer when clicked. The buttons are styled using the T button style. The code configures the style of the buttons to have a specific background and foreground color. Next question method displays the next question and its options. Enable next method enables the next button. Check answer method checks the selected answer, updates the score, and provides feedback. Show score method displays the final score and feedback in a custom message box. The code checks if the script is being run directly, not imported as a module. If so, it creates the main window root and initializes the quiz game class to start the quiz game. Then it enters the Tkinter main event loop. Overall, this code creates a simple quiz game with a GUI where users can answer multiple choice questions. It provides feedback on the correctness of answers and display a final score at the end of the quiz. The code also defines question data and styles for the GUI components. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.